We had just completed the Kedarnath trek in the last 2 days, and now we decided to head towards Chopta, mainly to rest or maybe to look for some another trek. It's bright sunny today. We are heading towards Chopta now. We'll be heading at around 11 o'clock just after having some breakfast. We did not have a view, but just beneath our hotel flows the Mandakini. No view, but the sound of the spring and the waterfall lulled us to sleep yesterday night. This is from the balcony of the hotel. There at that point there is a spa. I think that will be quite expensive. We didn't ask out the rates there. Yeah. So we are heading towards Chopta right now on a taxi. We hired a taxi because our legs are not that good right now, so we won't be able to bear the brunt of traveling in a shared jeep or on a bus. So I got some cash from Guptkashi. There is an ATM in Guptkashi. After that, there is no place to get any cash. You can somehow get money via Google Pay, or there are some other means to get cash, but they will charge some money for that. For Google Pay, I think they charge 50 rupees per 1000 rupees, and if they have that, if they swipe the cards, then it is around 1% of what the amount of money they are giving. So you can do that, but for ATMs there is only one at Guptkashi. After that, till Kedarnath, you won't get any. तो अब अगर हम लोग चोपटा से जोशीमठ की तरफ जाना चाहते हैं, तो क्या उखीमठ होके ही जाना पड़ेगा कि चमोली से?
नहीं, वो आपको जो है गोपीसर चमोली होते जाएगा।
अच्छा, तो चोपटा से गाड़ी मिल जाएगी?
हाँ, लोकल गाड़ी, ऐसा लोकल गाड़ी मिलेगी।
अच्छा,
वहाँ से आपको चमोली के लिए या गोपीसर के लिए, जहाँ के लिए भी मिले। अच्छा, चमोली या गोपीसर, हाँ, ये दो जगह के लिए आपको गाड़ी वहाँ से मिलेगी।
अच्छा, हाँ, फिर वहाँ से फिर बद्रीनाथ की तरफ,
फिर वहाँ से जो है आपको मिलेगी जोशीमठ तक के लिए।
अच्छा, फिर जोशीमठ से बद्रीनाथ,
फिर जोशीमठ से बद्रीनाथ। गाड़ियाँ नहीं बची। अच्छा। जो होटल के सामने ऊपर गाड़ियाँ खड़ी थी वो बच गई थी। वो तो मेन सीजन था ना, जून में। तो उस टाइम तो बहुत लोग भागे थे, क्योंकि होटलों में जगह नहीं थी रहने की। तो कोई बस में सो रखे थे, बैठे थे, जैसे कि आपने देखा होगा नीचे टीन सेट बना हुआ ना नदी पे, वहाँ और यात्री सब गए, कोई नहीं बचा। गौरीकुंड से केदारनाथ से लेके और आपका सीतापुर तक कोई बचा ही नहीं था।
कोई नहीं बचा।
हाँ, जो पहाड़ों के ऊपर भाग के चढ़ गए वो बच गए।
अच्छा।
अब कुछ भी पहाड़ पे भी मर गए लोग, ठंडी से।
ठंड से मर रहे हैं।
ठंडी से भी मर गए ना। अब कोई साधन तो था नहीं, कंटिन्यू बरसात होती रही, हेलीकॉप्टर उड़े नहीं, तो ढूंढे कहाँ से सब? तो कोई तो ठंड से ही मर गए ऐसे।
ये जो मतलब पानी का जो ये बाढ़ आया था वो कितना दिन ऐसा था मतलब?
बाढ़ तो सिर्फ एक ही थी
ना, वो तो था मतलब पानी का लेवल नीचे आते आते
हाँ कम से कम हफ्ता भर लग गया
हफ्ता भर लग गया था।
यहाँ का पानी जो था ना
हाँ
पूरे चारों धाम में गया,
अच्छा।
कोई जगह नहीं बची। मतलब सबसे ज्यादा जो नुकसान हुआ यात्री जो मरा वो केदारनाथ, बाकी सब जगह तो सिर्फ मकान गिर गए, होटल गिर गए, तो उसमें आदमी कोई भी मरा नहीं, सब बचे। बद्रीनाथ की सड़क बह गई पूरा, यहाँ सड़कों पे लैंडस्लाइड हो गया, जो भी जा रहा तो पैदल ही जा रहा, तो कोई जाने की जगह ही नहीं।
So we have reached Chopta and it's just so amazing, this place. We have booked a Swiss tent here and the location is just jaw-dropping. Everywhere it's green, it's almost in the middle of a jungle. There are vast meadows all around and the sun is shining bright with some cold winds and it's so refreshing out here.
I have nothing to say. I mean, I'm just awestruck. I just do not want to sit. I'm standing here in the middle and I'm just admiring the beauty of the place. Never been to any place so beautiful. I mean, this is beyond imagination. Beyond imagination. A place could be this beautiful. I would never expect.
Okay, so we are in Chopta right now and this is our tent. We are staying here for 4 nights and we decided to book for a long period of time because we need some rest. Just need to stay in some scenic place away from the hustle bustle of the cities, away from internet connections and everything. This is the nighttime view of our tent. There's a bulb, there's a plug point, one plug point, and then there is this bathroom, almost a well furnished bathroom. There is a mirror, there is a basin, and there is a toilet. So yeah, there is free hot water supply and also 3 times meals are included in the package. So yeah, it's a good deal. We booked 4 nights for what, around 9,000 rupees. So yeah, it's quite a good deal. There are around sleeping place for at least 5 people So quite a big tent. We can just spread our stuff everywhere and then just sleep cozily. Now what I'm trying to do is I will be going ahead and setting up my tripod, because the night sky is extremely beautiful. There is almost zero cloud cover and there is zero light pollution. The electricity out here is solar powered, so they provide electricity from around 5:30 from sunset till around 10:30 or 11, and then they cut off the electricity. So yeah, now I'll be just going ahead and setting up this big machine outside onto the meadows just outside our tent. So now what I'm doing is I have set up my camera right here. There is the Kedarnath peak, and I have set up my camera to firstly to make a time lapse of the sunset of the Kedarnath peak, and then I'm planning to make a star trail, get a proper star trail. As far as I know, this is the north, this way is the north, and just behind the Kedarnath is the Polaris or the North Star. So from here I believe if I get a star trail, it will be like the stars will be having a whole like pattern around the Kedarnath peak. I'm guessing that that's what it would be, so I'm not sure. Let's see, I have plans for that. So we have reached some place that is out of the maps and something very straight out of a movie scene. Looks like we have traveled back in time and landed in the ancient times. Look at that bridge. Ho, 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 ho.